Well, hello dear Unstoppable family, bless up one and all. So it's been a while now since we've seen Krystal and Beenie Man in the limelight, and I mean since the whole pregnancy thing, they have been, you know, calm and selective and cool, and people kind of just leave them alone despite all of the backlash where they might get about them pregnancy and all of that from the haters. But right now we come to talk about Krystal, Beenie Man and their newly born baby. Allegedly. Now, there's an article going around saying that Krystal Tomlinson has given birth to her and Beenie Man's newly born baby, and them say is a daughter. Krystal get yes people, them say is a daughter. So that we come to talk about in another video, but not gonna way, we soon come back. You don't know the intro thing already, so forward, see?
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Yes, Unstoppable family, so I'm back again, and as I said before, there's an article going around saying that Krystal Tomlinson and Beenie Man has given birth to a baby girl. Now we don't know whether or not it's true, because you don't know, Beenie Man and Krystal are being very secretive about it. They uploaded no photos, they posted nothing that indicates that they have given birth, but for some reason the article going around is saying that Beenie Man and Krystal has given birth, and they got the information from close sources to the couple. So the article reads, dancehall entertainer Beenie Man and media personality Krystal Tomlinson have welcomed a baby girl into the world. Sources close to the couple reveal that Beenie Man's 28-year-old girlfriend gave birth during the last 24 hours. Unconfirmed reports are that the daughter, who was a bit premature, is now on an incubator at a well-known medical facility in the corporate area. The source said that they could confirm that the baby is a girl but can't disclose any more information. When the pregnancy announcement was made in July, there was rumors circulating that the king of the dancehall cried tears thanking God and his partner for such a blessing. As news circulated online, social media began to speculate that wedding bells are now in the cards for Beenie Man and Krystal Tomlinson. So viewers, subscribers, we don't know, but if the baby is actually here, that's a good look, and I hope that the baby is alright, because we hear say, you know, the baby was born prematurely. But if the baby is actually here, we have to say congratulations from the entire Unstoppable family to Krystal and the doctor. You understand? Now, on the topic of Krystal and Beenie Man, you know, we're not done with that yet, because Krystal has expressed her love for Beenie Man time and time before, and she continues to do so, as she made a recent post to her IG stating her love for the doctor. You understand? Because despite over the time that Krystal and Beenie Man has been together, they has had a lot of backlash from haters out there who just don't like to see the love and the progress the two share. You understand what I say? She get a lot of fight, a lot of tear down, you understand, but she chose not to respond to anyone. But one thing she always chooses to do is express her love for her man. So in a recent post on IG, Krystal stated just that. I'm going to show you what Krystal had to say. See it here, people. So the light of Beenie Man's life took to her IG, posting this photo and making sure to caption it with her full expression of love for the entertainer, making sure that he understands that she doesn't know what she would do without him. So people, this is what Krystal wrote as her caption. She said, I love everything about you, even when you're mad and I shout to. How could I ever live without you? Honestly, I wouldn't know how to. You are my anchor. Viewers and subscribers, wanna see the love where Krystal express fear, man? No, wait, stick up in. If you don't feel like say Krystal Tomlinson gonna post something like that on IG, and the fans wouldn't jump on that and share for them opinion and for them views, you have another thing coming, because that is a must. That would have must have happen. Yes, what I say. So I go share a few of the comments we don't know. Not all of them, because you know say yo, it was like a flood under the post. You understand, from all the fans. But I go share a couple of them we don't know and I'm gonna get it. See? Watch what go on. So remember, me telling you, Krystal has been getting a lot of negative from some people on social media, and this person is clearly one of them. Listen what this idiot had to say. Let man brag about you the way you do. My granny used to say them feel love you more than how you love them. You deserve a ring. You're young and him have enough picnic. Stop embarrass yourself. Viewers, subscribers, why is it that in a positive moment there has to be somebody that comes with negativity? And that me just don't understand with people. Let the woman be happy. Let the woman enjoy her life. Instead of you casting the first stone, look at yourself first. You understand, viewers? Let me jump in another comment here, man. Sure. So clearly this person was bothered by the comment as much as I was bothered by it. So me have to say big up Miss Hopi. Her comment was this: I don't know why some Jamaicans, especially women, are so hateful, bad mind, jealous and envious over other people's relationships. If y'all don't like them as a couple, keep scrolling. Your comments are irrelevant to them. They're in love. Whether she want to boast about him or not, leave the people them alone and let them live. I know your life is not perfect, because if it was, y'all wouldn't have time to be criticizing other people. Shake my damn head. Yeah, yes, I say Miss Hopi, big up yourself for that one day. Because I don't know why them just depend on the people them life a chat about say, yo, she know for your post about time, man. That one they upset me, man. Chop, me I gotta roll in the next comment here, man. So clearly Krystal have her fans who's going to have her back when she most needed. Because this person jump in and say, you and your big nose need to stop follow her. You look big and sweaty like. You can't see say no man now own you with your big frozy wig on your head. Waff dog. Cut and clear. You see me I say. So yeah, the fans them jump in and them a defend Krystal in you understand me I say, because at the end of the day, why is the haters even following her? Why are the haters even commenting on her post? Leave her alone. If you not like what she do, just keep it moving and unfollow her. You see me I say. So let me read a positive comment for you before I jump off and end this video. You see me I say, because we have to end it on a positive note, people. Yes, and this is what this commenter wrote. She says, at Miss Hopi, I totally agree. Even pastors and his wife break up and people move on with their lives. So if Krystal and Beenie Man break up, it's nothing new under the sun. But for now, they are freaking happy and in love, and I'm happy for them. Maybe they found something so many miserable people are looking for. And that's someone to love you unconditionally, sending nothing but positive energy to the beautiful couple. Viewers, subscribers, this is the kind of energy Krystal needs. Krystal don't need the negativity. You understand what I say? She has just given birth to a beautiful baby girl. Let's just see the photos when them come out. You understand? Allegedly, she gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. We don't know if it's true yet, but we will find out, because nothing stays in the dark for long. So we know eventually we're going to see some photos start to being uploaded to social media, and we're going to say, yes, that's Beenie Man's baby girl right there. That's Beenie Man's daughter. And then we can see the positive comments that's gonna be commented. Yeah, we know say you're gonna have some haters, we are gonna comment some negative stuff too, but we not gonna pay them no mind. Krystal, go and block them out. You understand what I say? At the end of the day, you love your man love you. That's all that matters. Wanna bring forth a beautiful child, that's all that matters. The haters them can say whatever they want to say. Make them talk if they want to talk. You see what I say? At the end of the day, you are happy, Beenie Man is happy. That is all that matters. Viewers and subscribers, Unstoppable family, comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this. You see me I say, and as a matter of fact, I want to big up Krystal and Beenie Man and say congratulations. You see, viewers, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button right now, because we need your support. See, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's unstoppable, and I'm out. See.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.